Hey everyone, I'm Justin with ExtremeTerrain.com, and if you're looking to dramatically change up the look and modernize the taillights on your 2016 through 23 Tacoma at home, well then you should definitely check out the Raxium LED taillights that we're talking about here today with the smoke lenses. Now, these taillights will deliver that dark, aggressive look thanks to the smoke lenses, while also delivering a 100% modern LED operation, all for right around that low $400 price point. So big features here with the Raxiums will be the radical change in appearance from the mundane red and clear stockers, along with a huge upgrade in lighting thanks to the 100% LED operation. Let's face it guys, the stock taillights are pretty boring and chances are they may be a bit beat up from wheeling or just day-to-day abuse over the years. Now these Raxium options on the other hand will not only freshen things up, but also give the truck a much more modern look by adding things like the diffused LED running light, along with the unique brake and turn signals thanks to the high-powered red LEDs. Now your reverse lights also do receive that LED treatment as well, and they will be found right in the middle of that diffused LED running light with a bunch of bright white LEDs. And then of course you have that smoke look, which, let's face it guys, is a must-have if you're really trying to nail that smoked out or blacked out look that is always a popular choice with a lot of truck owners. Now your construction is going to be extremely high quality, which is what we're used to seeing when we're talking about stuff from Raxium here guys, and that does include things like the OE quality ABS plastic housing, which is then topped off with that smoked polycarbonate lens. Now also nice to point out here guys is that despite all of these features and modern LEDs, this is going to be a 100% plug and play install, which is certainly going to make your life easier when it comes time to bolt these guys up. Now your price point for the Raxiums will live right around that $400 mark, give or take, which I would say is going to be kind of middle of the road here in regards to the rest of the category when talking price comparisons. Now you can certainly keep things a bit more basic, save some money if you wanted to just go maybe with that dark smoke look. But on the other hand, if you wanted to go with something like Form, Alpha X, or Morimoto, those guys are going to cost you at least $100 to $200 more than the Raxiums that we have here today. So again, if you're looking to go full LED replacement, you really like that aggressive look, these are a nice kind of middle of the road choice when we're talking budget. But now let's get a little bit more into the installation, and the site's going to call this a soft 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter, taking you about 45 minutes or so to complete from start to finish. But now we're going to throw it out to the shop for our detailed walkthrough and tool breakdown.
For this install you would need a 3/8 ratchet, a 10mm socket, and a small Phillips head screwdriver. Alright, today we're going to be installing some taillights on our Tacoma, so let's get started. Alright, all we need to do to take these taillights out is take two 10mm bolts out. It's this bolt here and then the bottom bolt. So we'll grab our ratchet and 10mm socket, take those two out. Then you're just going to pull your taillight straight out. All right, then we can disconnect our 3 connectors. All right, now we're going to install our new taillight. We just have to take our mounting clips off of our stock taillight and put them on our new taillight. All right, I'm just going to take a small Phillips head screwdriver. You're just going to go inside the clip, lift up a little spring tab, and then push it off. And it's just going to slide right onto the new taillight. All right, now we're going to plug our connectors in. So all it just uses the factory connectors. All right, we can tuck our wiring in and then put our taillight into place. Then we just need to reinstall our 2 10mm bolts that we took out earlier. All right, you just do the same thing for the other taillight. All right, and that wraps up our install of our Raxium LED taillights with a black housing and smoked lens for our 2016 to 2023 Tacoma. And remember, for everything Tacoma, keep it right here at ExtremeTerrain.com.